Barbecue fam, today we're doing up a smoked chuck roast on a gravity fed charcoal smoker. Oh hell yeah, check this out. This chuck roast, I'm gonna wrap it up with some butcher's twine and get that nice and tight in a circle as much as possible. And then we're hitting it up with some Grillaholics SPG plus the butter and a little bit of extra 16 mesh black pepper and a touch of kosher salt to get that nice crispy surface. And we're smoking this sucker about 275 until we hit a 165 internal, 160, 165. Wrap it in butcher paper with that beef tallow. Oh hell yeah. And then we'll put it back in until we hit about 205, 210. Rock and roll. Gonna be using this Char Griller Gravity 980 with some lump charcoal in it. And we're gonna dash in some hickory chips, and in the bottom we're gonna throw in a couple chunks of pecan wood and let this go 275 till we hit an internal about a 160, 165, and then we're wrapping it in butcher's paper. I got to thinking I need a pasta salad to go with this, so I'm putting this together as well during the cooking process at the end. Get yourself some of that tricolor pasta, slice up some pepperoni, whatever cheese you like. I'm using the Seriously Vermont sharp cheese, and broccoli, black olives, some peppers. You could, sky's the limit. Tomatoes off the vine, and then hit it with some Italian dressing, about a full cup, and about a half a cup of Miracle Whip. Stir that all up, let it settle, hang out for about an hour. Damn, best pasta salad ever. Hell yeah. So this cook, I use the meat stick again and get that thing centered in there pretty darn good. It's a pretty thick probe, but it's so sharp you can get it in no problem. Chuck roast done. Oh hell yeah, let's pull this, open it up, see what we got. Oh. Hoo-wee.
Give me a hell yeah!
Ooh. Oh, the juices. Holy. Let's get a bite of that.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Man, I'll tell you what, that wagyu beef tallow, I swear by it. That is rocking. That is so good, so delicious, moist, juicy. Oh man, that rocked. Smoked chuck roast. Oh hell yeah! Anytime, any grill, do it up. Always amazing. And you don't have like the big brisket, long cook to do. This is 4-hour cook, 5-hour cook, right around there. Easy to do, way less expensive. Like this one was only 15 bucks. And yeah, with crazy meat prices, I did find one at a decent price. Tighten it up with some butcher's twine, and hell yeah, hit it up with some seasonings of your choice, man. But salt, pepper, that's all you really need. And get a little creative. Man, this is rocking. Oh hell yeah, get out there and go make yourself some smoked chuck roast. Easy to do.
I said, give me a hell yeah!